Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. This is part 6 of HTML series and today we're gonna be learning tables. So roll the intro and let's begin. Alright, so today it's time to learn tables. It's similar to Excel, but instead we're displaying that thing on our website. So I'm gonna head to Excel for a second and what I'll do is I'll make a table in here and we'll try to code that table in our website. So let's just say I'm gonna make a 3 by 4 column table including the table head, and I'm gonna make let's just say a serial number, name, and class, and I'm gonna just say 1 3 okay, and the class, let's just say class 1, or let's just say class A, class B, and a class C. So now I have a simple table in here, and I want to display this table on my website. What I'll do, so to code this table, we'll head to our Visual Studio. Now I've made the basic snippet just like usual, and we're gonna try to code this. So before we do that, I'll teach those keywords that we're gonna be using today. The first one gonna be tr, the second is th, and the third is td. It means table, row, table head, and data, table data. So these are the terms we're gonna be using today for our table. We'll head back to the Visual Studio and let's build our table. So to start, we use table. HTML is pretty simple, so there should not be any difficulty learning those tag names and stuff like that. We can always Google if we are stuck on anything. I believe Google is a part of learning. So I'm gonna make a table tag. Now while we are at it, I'm gonna give my table a border. Let's just say 2 pixels. And now I'm gonna add some table rows. So tr. Inside the first row, I need the serial number, name, and class. Now since all of the data is gonna go below these things, this is the table head, right? So I'm gonna use th in here. Okay, I'm gonna copy this 2 more times since I need it for name and class. Name and class. Now with that said, I should have a table with 3 things on it, as you can see. Now I need to add the data for each row. For that, what I'll use is I'll make another tr, another table row, which is gonna be below the table heads. And I'm gonna add table data in it. to copy this 2 more times, just like I did it before. And I'm going to add my data. Now, your data should be in sync with the table heads. Now the serial number, I know it's 1. Table, so the name, I know it was ABC, and the class was A, I believe. Yeah. So when I save this and then go back to my code, it should come in sync with the table head. Now to finish my table, I just need to do this thing 2 more times. Right? And then I need to change this. XYZ. And I forgot. Stuff. Saving this, and we'll have our own table ready. Yeah, so that was easy. In terms of border, you can also use, so for each row, you can use row span. With a single S, and you can add how many rows you want, 2, 3, 4, anything. You can use call span, anything that you want inside. 2, 3. What this does is it combines the rows, this one into one, and this one combines columns into one, so you can make a bigger column at the end. You can also do cell spacing, and you can add whatever pixels you want inside. It's just a basic Excel stuff that you're just using it in HTML. And you can also use cell padding, which means the padding inside the cell. I'll write that as well. Anything that you want. I haven't used tables that much in my coding. There were some times that I had to use this stuff, but it's pretty fun. The next thing I want to teach you guys is nesting of tables. Just like we did last time, the nesting of lists, we also have it for tables. So what that means is I can make a table inside a table. So what you can do is, using this table, you made a table, and then you can make another table by giving them the table data with table border, and then the tr, and then the th again. Try this yourself. It's pretty fun. So let's just say I want this table, and then inside I want 2 by 2 table for the list of the persons in the class B. So the class would remain same, and then there should be another names and then another list in here. It's 2 by 2, or you can make it a bigger one. You guys can try it out yourself. It's gonna be fun. That's it for this video. In the next video, we're gonna be learning about div. I believe I've used it in my previous videos. So in the next one, I'll teach you guys what it's supposed to be, or what its actual function is. Till then, see ya.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.